Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a test user to your Pluto LMS instance. In order to do so, you're going to first want to navigate to the site admin dashboard found in the left-hand navigation panel. And once inside here, you're going to go to the first panel called User Management, and then to the Add Users panel and the first option that says Create Single User. What I'm going to go ahead and do is fill out the required fields, which are the username and the password, which I'll write down to log in as this user in a moment. And I'll go ahead and give this user a name and a last name. And I'm going to go and enter a fake email address for this example. And then I'm going to leave everything as is that aren't required fields. And I'm going to go ahead and create this user. I'll be taken to the screen that shows me all the users on the platform. And bear in mind, I have just created this user, haven't enrolled them into any courses yet. So this user will be able to log in on the platform, but haven't enrolled them into any courses yet.